We have another camper coming in. I decided to, bring the picnic table over into my site more because, yeah, I kind of spread out, acting like the whole place is mine. That's not my firewood over there, though. But that is my bike tent and my van, and I dragged over this picnic table to make video editing easier with my computer. And, but it's calm. There's no wind right now. Not even breezes. So I'm gonna fix my awning. Got my bag of goods on the table here. I can show you those. I'll open the bag. So there's my little bag of quick grab tools. And yeah, this is what I had to replace. It got bent. And I think the arm may be cracked. But I bought new bolts because I couldn't find the same bolt. And then I bought nuts to fit that bolt. And I can still reuse the washer and this little barrel thing. Okay, and of course this is the rest of the stuff that goes along with the awning. So, yeah, I'm gonna get busy. Okay, this is what it should look like. And this is what it looks like. It really doesn't look too terribly bad. I think I got lucky. I think. So we'll take that out and put the new bolt in and see if this isn't very difficult. It shouldn't be, but as my projects go, they end up being. And there we go. Okay, being that it didn't split like I thought it probably did, it didn't. Just got bent up some. Oops. You can see where it got bent up. Don't know if that's going to matter. Huh. It might matter. I don't know, but I got... Here's the good one. And I bought hose clamps just in case. Well, if I need them, I can always put them on, right? And now that I have the awning deployed, I can see this got broke right here. So what I'm going to have to do is get a washer and somehow secure it there. Actually straighten this out too, but get a washer and straighten it out, but I don't have a washer that I could use for this. So I'm going to have to get some. Turn on the flashlight. Okay, so there you go. I put a hose clamp on it because it is too loose. I've got 3 bolts on this one. Let's see. There we go. Can we get the angle? There we go. So I put a bolt on this side, a bolt on this side. I need to get a washer. Excuse me. I need to get a washer to fix that. And of course I have the hose clamp on there. So now I'm going to secure it down with a couple of cam jams also. But fortunately, the damages were repairable and I'm keeping it leaned. I don't have it up as high as I can go. I just don't feel safe doing that yet. But I basically brought it out just to repair it anyhow. But since I have it out, I may as well put some cam jams on it and see how it fares. Here's the cam jam. And here's the instructions on how to do them. Oh, and I'm going to need more stakes. I've got stakes right there. And I was wondering why that side is rippled so badly. Here's why. Yeah, the track got bent as well. I could fix that with a pair of pliers though. It was quite a windstorm. I'm surprised it didn't just trash this awning, which would have sucked. But yeah, the bag gone the wrong way. Okay. It's not a bag issue, but I could probably stretch it out just a little bit more, or just not worry about it. I think I'll choose not to worry about it. It may have gotten not secure in there, so I don't know. I'm not going to worry about it. Whew, it's hot out here. And at least I got this done before these breezes started kicking in. So I found an extra bolt. So now I have one here, and I have one here. Let me get up on there. Here, and on either side of that. And I have this thing on, but it needs to be tighter. And the slack is a lot better now. So I could go higher, but I'm just going to leave this because I'll be taking it back down tonight anyhow. I just wanted to fix it. I've got the cam jams on here, so that works too, except I wasn't too sure how to do the bottom part. But yeah, that one works. And that one I tied off because that was the first one. I gotta get myself out of the way. That one I tied off because that was my first one, but it's okay. And then I kind of tied the extra on here, but this is what's actually securing it here. Alrighty, now what? Put all my stuff away. Oh yeah, I gotta dig out my pool noodles for that. I have a pool noodle for the door too, but not quite sure where it ended up at. I had to pick it up from across the road after that windstorm. It's amazing that I even found it at all. Okay. Oh, and I need to, next time I go out, I need to take this with me. I'll just stick it in my pack that I carry so that I can get washers. Washers will help a lot for those bent, torn up areas. So I'll put one here and here and on the other side. So I need 3. I should just pick up 4, right? Why not? I still have 2 nuts for this one as well. Can we see it? Can we see it? The sun. Okay, so I have 2 nuts for this one as well. So, but I'm not going to worry about that today. I'm just going to get washers for this side also. Then we'll be set.